How to allow pop-ups on Google Chrome. That's what I will show you today. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Google Chrome and then click on the three dots at the top right of the screen. Then click on settings, and here you need to scroll down to the advanced section, and from there click on site settings. Once you're here, you need to look for pop-ups and redirects. Once you find it, click on it, and as you can see, it's blocked, and Google Chrome tells you that this will block websites from showing pop-ups and redirects, which is recommended. However, if you want to enable this and you want websites to show pop-ups and stuff like that, all you need to do is click on the toggle next to it to turn it off, and as you can see, it's now allowed. So that was it for this video. That's how you can enable pop-ups in Google Chrome. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.